Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear listener, welcome back to Jaipur Government Pilot High School online classes. In our last classes, we have discussed narration on assertive sentence, narration on interrogative sentence, and narration on imperative sentence. Today we will discuss narration on optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Today we will finish sentence narration, and after that we will do passage narration that would be set in your question paper. Let's start. First we will do narration on optative sentence. Mother said to me, may you be happy. Mother said to me, may you be happy. The sentence reported speech is of optative sentence, and optative sentence begins with may and long. This sentence begins with may, so this is optative sentence. In case of optative sentence, reporting verb, from reporting verb up to the listener would be deleted. From reporting verb up to the listener. Here, mother is speaker, me is listener. For optative sentence, from said to me would be deleted, and there we should use wished or failed. Wish or fail. Mother wished or prayed. And for inverted comma, deleting inverted comma, we have to use that. We have to use that for assertive sentence, and in optative sentence we have to use that. Then this is modals, this is subject. After that, first we have to change subject, not modals. You have to bear in mind that. After that, you have to change subject, not helping verb or modals. Then you, here you is second person, and second person refers to the listener. Listener was me. This is subjective case, and listener was me. Mother said to me, me was listener, and listener is objective case, but this is subjective case. Now you have to change me into subjective case. What is the subjective case of me? It would be I. So for you have to use I, and may would be might, can would be could, will would be would. Formulas, and may would be might be happy. Mother wished that I might be happy. For I am giving you another example. The more you practice, the more you learn. They said, inverted comma, long live our president. Our president. They said, long live our president. Reported speech, this is reported speech, begins with long. Begins with long. If a sentence begins with may or long, that's called optative sentence. This is optative sentence. And for optative sentence, in lieu of said, there would be prayed or wished. They prayed or wished. Inverted comma, for inverted comma, there would be that. After that, you have to use subject. In this sentence, subject, our president is subject. Our president is subject. Here, our is possessive case of we first person, and first person refers to the speaker. Here, they is the speaker. So, it is possessive case, but it is subjective case. We have to convert this subjective case into possessive case. What is the possessive case? Their. Our president means their president. First we have to, after that, first we have to change subject. Subject would be, our president means their president. It would be their president. After subject, you have to use, inverted comma would be deleted, you have to use might. Then would be might. Their president might live, long live. There was long live. Here, live is verb. Might live long. Here would be might. First verb, after modals there would be verb and then adverb. What is the result? They prayed that their president might live long. Now we will do narration on exclamatory sentence. This is our last sentence narration. After, from next class we will do passage narration. Exclamatory sentence. He said, alas, I am undone. There is note of exclamation. There is note of exclamation. To see this note of exclamation, we can identify that it is a sentence of exclamatory. This is exclamatory sentence. He said, "Alas, I am undone." If a exclamatory sentence refers to sorrow, then would be the note. If the note is sorrow, then would be exclaimed with sorrow. Here the note is sorrowful. If the expression is joyous, then it would be exclaimed with joy. If the expression is wonderful, then would be exclaimed with wonder. Here the note is sorrowful. So we have to use exclaimed with sorrow. Say it would be deleted, alas also would be deleted. Then we have to use he exclaimed with sorrow. For deleting inverted comma, we have to use that. We have also used that in assertive sentence, optative sentence. In exclamatory sentence, we have to also use that. It would be that. There was I am undone. Here I is first person. First person refers to the subject. Here subject or speaker. Or I is first person. It means the speaker. Here the speaker is he. I means he. It is present tense, it would be past tense, there would be was. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. Inverted. He exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. Let us do one more example. The man said to the guard, what a brave man your father is. The man said to the girl, what a brave man your father is. There is note of exclamation. For note of exclamation, we can say that this is exclamatory sentence. And this refers to wonder. So it would be from reported verb to the listener would be deleted. It would be exclaim with wonder. With wonder. Deleting inverted comma, we have to use that. First subject. What a brave man your father is. Here, your father is the subject. You is the possessive case. Your is the possessive case of you. And you is second person. Second person refers to the listener. Here, listener, the girl. The pronoun of the girl is she. This is possessive case. This is subjective case. We have to convert it into possessive case. What is the possessive case? Her. It would be her. Your father means her father, the girl's father. What would be deleted? Her father. Then tense. This is present tense. It would be past tense, was. Her father was for what we have to use very. Was a very brave man. Her father was a very brave man. The man explained with wonder that her father was a very brave man. And the last sentence. Okay, dear students, I like to say you goodbye. I like to finish today's class. That's all. The next day we will do passage narration. That's very important. I hope that you all would be able to attend the online class, and thank you for watching online class. Stay home and be happy. Safe, keep free from disease. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.